Another proposal that I'm very excited about is intel.message format. Intel is this API in JavaScript. It stands for internationalization. It provides us utilities to localize all of our content. So, for example, you might have a date, and a date might be like for example, January 1st, 2024 might be, well, that's a bad example. January 2nd, 2024 might be 02/1/2024 in some countries, but it might be 2024-01-02 in some other. And a developer cannot just know how to format the date in all possible languages based on where their customers are. And so this Intel API is what lets the browser expose to the web developer the tools that they need to properly localize all of their content. And message format is where you can actually use to have translations. So we might say, my apps need to show notification count somewhere. And the way this notification count is shown, I need to have a slightly different format depending on the number of notifications. Like if it's 0, you have no new notification. Then I have a different format for 1. Then for other numbers, I have to add the S in English at the end of notifications. And every language has their own rules. Like some languages have more than one plural. And like there can be slight differences between all of them. And so with this API, we could have our message in English with English rules. We can pass this to our translator that maybe they will translate it to Hungarian or to Italian, to Japanese. And then with this Intel message format API, we can just load the translated messages, tell the browser, look, I have this message that is in English. Please replace our variable count with the value 1 and give me whatever I have to show in our UI. And this is, again, incredibly useful when you have a wide variety of customers that may speak different languages and may come from different cultures. So I'm very hopeful that this will make its way to the language. It will take long. I think within the committee, people generally like the idea, but it still needs a lot of time to be sure it's the right thing. There are still many areas that need to be explored. There are still many questions that need to be answered. So like proposals like this will likely take very long, where very long means not like 2 years, but maybe we're talking about 5 or 10 years. And